Hello, hello. So today I'm doing a harvest. I never do a harvest. You guys have asked before. No harvest? No, I harvest as I need. But I will bring you through on some of the harvests I did. I did a bunch this morning. I did a bunch last night. I've been trying to harvest off a lot of the vegetables that are ready to come off. And this way I can get them, off the plant so the plant won't struggle in this heat we've been having. But today it's nice and cool. It's only about 98. Nobody's going to hit triple digits, they say. Okay, let's grab maybe a couple tomatoes. See if I can do this. Oh yeah, they are ready. Look how they come right off. See how they come right off? These are beautiful. Let's put those there. If I don't get them, something else will. Look at my monkey. He has Velcro hands. So I stuck him up here and he is holding up my tomato plant. See? I don't have to just use tape. But let's see. Get a couple of these tomatoes off for dinner tonight. I have to go through and get rid of more of the brown leaves. I think that's enough for now. It's kind of hard when you have two hands and you really need 3 or 4. Okay, I've already picked a whole bunch of cucumbers. Did that earlier. And I did all that different squash. The cucumbers, I'm going to make cucumber salad, and I'm back to making pickles. So these will go in right now. Zucchini. Get this in the house, and I picked a bunch of eggplant. All in all, I have to say I am quite happy with the garden, even in this heat, this 100-degree heat we've been having. I mean, right now it should be even droopier, but like I said, today we're cool. Only about 98 degrees. The garden's doing quite well. And no, I really wanted to get a lot of this stuff off. I'm going to probably make a bunch of oven-fried eggplant, because Gary loves it, and I just did not want to turn on our gas oven and heat up the kitchen any more than, it was already warm. I hear a woodpecker. But anyways, yes, I wanted to get the eggplant in the oven today, so if I cook up enough, we can put it in the fridge, and then he can eat it tomorrow cold. And then the zucchini I've been picking, I've been making pickles out of that, sour pickles. Been doing that with both the cucumber and the zucchini. I want to get a video done on composting. This is from kitchen scraps that I did not use yet. Want to tell you what I do with that when I don't use it. So that's my harvest for today. Like I said, I don't do a harvest. I come out and pick as I need. And I should go pick some mint. I'm going to go make some mint tea. Maybe I will get some mint. But I harvest as I need it, because otherwise it sits in the house, and why pick something I don't need yet? I pick it when we're going to eat it. I pick it when we're going to drink it. And look at that, my cucumber's slowly climbing up that thing. Been picking a lot of cucumbers off that. It's really good to invest sometimes just that small amount of money. You don't have to deal with seeds. I went to the nursery, picked up 1 tray of the small pickling cucumbers, and I'm telling you, we have gotten so many cucumbers off of that. It's unreal how many cucumbers I have gotten. How many we've eaten, how many I still have in the house, how many I picked today, how many I picked last night. Boy, are they prolific. So that will be the type that I'm going to grow in my garden. I want to grow things that grow good here. I don't need to grow all kinds of fancy cucumbers. I mean, if I was selling at a farmer's market, maybe. But for us, I want to grow what's very prolific in my garden. And like the curly kale does well, dinosaur kale does well, lemon verbena for our tea does well. You pick out the stuff that works for you. Of course, you got to experiment to try that. And even tomatoes. I tried a whole bunch of different types of tomatoes, including this one, Tasmanian. And even though it's doing okay, there were other types of tomatoes that did much better than those. So I'll see. A lot of my tomatoes, though, are wild. They come up as volunteers, so they're hybrids. And that's okay, too. Of course, my sprouting broccoli is going to be 3 years old this year. And I use my garden like a food forest. If it continues to grow, it stays. The mint's been growing for years on the ground. It stays. I've got things growing in the ground. And look at my compost tea I'm making, and they'll get that later on tonight. And I've got things in pots, and I layer pots. So with that, I am going in the house. I'm going to get some stuff cooked in our cool weather of 98 degrees, because who knows, probably be back in the hundreds later on this week. And let's get some stuff cooked, and I'll get back to all of you real soon. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye.